Well, I think that's everything ready for today's open house.
Okay, let's go over the details one more time. Beautiful rustic charmer with sweeping water views. Bring your imagination and make this your dream forever home. Offered at $850,000. Perfect. Right, let's see if anyone's here yet. Oh, no one's here yet. That's strange for a weekend open house. Oh, wait, there they are. Hi, everybody. You can come in now.
Hello, can I help you?
Well, I'm a little concerned about being outbid on this home. Are there any other properties in the neighbourhood that are for sale?
Oh, well actually there is another home just around the corner. Would you like to go and see it now? It's listed as one of Redfin's hot homes.
Oh, are you accepting early offers?
No, we're waiting for the review date.